St. Joseph's Hospital is now taking in coronavirus patients. We know that leaders in the area have been looking at a couple of different sites to actually use as makeshift hospitals if there is a need for more space. 2 News Side's Karis Belger took a look into that for us today.
Yeah, good evening. We learned earlier that multiple patients were admitted to St. Joseph's for COVID-19, and this isn't the only place that could soon be seeing patients. We heard from Erie County Executive Mark Polenkars that multiple locations in the county are being considered as alternate medical facilities.
The number of COVID-19 cases is growing, and hospitals have already started taking measures to increase capacity. But the question still remains, if those beds fill up, where will the patients go? Erie County Executive Mark Polenkars says he's already begun exploring options.
It's best to have individuals in a location where you can have like one hot zone, so you don't have to constantly put on and off PPEs for medical professionals.
There are a number of things to consider. Aside from supplies for medical staff, there's also access to other facilities in the area.
Mass casualty ICU bed locations, and what we're thinking about is we may be looking at the convention center.
It's not unheard of. The Westchester County Center and other similar locations have already been identified as pop-up hospital locations by Governor Cuomo. Polenkars also said he's looked at the old Erie County home among other places, but not all of them would be able to handle the influx.
We have looked at a number of locations, including hotels. We've excluded some because they just don't have the capabilities that we need.
According to Polenkars, the county is also looking into housing options for people who don't have the virus but may need a place to stay. And multiple facilities are on the county's radar.
Now, as for when all of this would happen, Polenkars was not specific. He did say that no one site had been identified yet, and he was looking to get in contact with the Army Corps of Engineers. In Cheektowaga, I'm Karis Belger, Channel 2 News.